Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Let's continue with second day series of Lord Ganesha. Elephant's head was placed upon the child's body, not as punishment, but as blessing. This was a sacred moment of divine transformation when Lord Shiva gently places the elephant head upon the child's body, while Parvati's presence and cosmic light surround the scene with grace. Ganesha is reborn, not as a symbol of loss, but of divine compassion. The heavens had wept, but now they whispered grace. Shiva, moved by Parvati's sorrow, did not restore the child as he was, he remade him with wisdom, strength, and divine sight. An elephant's head was placed upon the body, not to mark the wound, but to honor the love that shaped him. Thus was born Ganesha, the one who sees beyond form, the one who blesses every beginning. Thus was born Ganesha, the one who sees beyond form, the remover of obstacles, the son reborn through compassion. From clay and sorrow, from love and divine grace, a new form emerged, not broken, but blessed. With an elephant's head and a heart shaped by devotion, Ganesha was reborn. He would not just guard a doorway, he would open them. He would not just protect a mother, he would guide the world. Thus was born the remover of obstacles, the son who sees beyond form. जन्मे गजानन, शिवा की कृपा, पार्वती का मान. विघ्नहरण, दया के धाम, प्रेम में बेस तुम्हारा प्रमाण. गणपति बाप्पा मोरया, सुख के साथी, दुख के छाया. गणपति बाप्पा मोरया, आशीर्वाद में तुम्हारी माया. Lord Ganesha, seen seated on a golden throne, adorns in full divine splendor. His radiant crown, pearl necklaces, and shimmering ornaments reflect the grace of Shiva and the love of Parvati. The lotus beneath him and the diya in his hand echoes the reverence of the storytelling. Lord Ganesha journeying across the land on his mouse Vahana, showering blessings upon all. Golden light surrounds him, the river winds gently through the hills, and flowers bloom in his wake. His presence brings joy, protection, and divine grace to every corner of creation. Lord Ganesha, seen seated in divine serenity, is surrounded by joyful devotees performing aarti and singing bhajans. The diya flames flicker, mantras echo in rhythm, and the golden light radiating from his presence fills the space with warmth and reverence. Please like, share, and subscribe to Mentored Learning for more devotional stories and poetic journeys. Thank you for joining this journey of devotion and grace. May Ganesha's blessings guide your heart always.